Good afternoon. Welcome to Conicelli Nissan.
Hi, I'm here to get service done.
Are you here for the summer special?
Summer is here, and that means it's time for unforgettable adventures on the open road. But before you set off, make sure your vehicle is ready for the journey ahead with Conicelli Nissan. Our expert technicians are here to ensure that your vehicle performs at its best throughout the summer season with incredible savings just for you. Treat your car to an oil change or tire rotation for $74.95. Keep your engine running smoothly and extend the life of your tires as well, so you can enjoy every mile for your epic adventures. Remember to breathe in the fresh summer air. With $10 off of an air filter or cabin air filter replacement, you'll enjoy clean, crisp airflow and a comfortable cabin throughout your journey. Here's a deal that'll make you brake for joy. Get $25 off your brake service or front and rear brakes for your vehicle. Safety should never be compromised, especially during your summer travels. Don't wait any longer. Schedule your appointment today at ConicelliService.com or call 888-289-5948. At Conicelli Nissan, we're not just any service center. We're a nice place to do business.